Hello everybody, and welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. It's the New Year's and the Oscars are coming up, so is the Super Bowl. Lots of great stuff to watch, and you want to be able to watch without being interrupted. So how do you do that while making great food that people enjoy? Well, I've got a lot of party recipes ready to go. So let's get cooking. The first party food up to bat today is ham and cheese pinwheels. You make it ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator, and cut it up on game day. Here are the players for your ham and cream cheese pinwheels. 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of ham, diced green chilies, 8 ounces, and about 8 flour tortillas. Soft taco size is fine. Your first step is to let the cream cheese sit out until it gets nice and soft. Maybe about an hour or two will work. Okay, the cream cheese has been thoroughly softened. Now we gotta open the chilies so we can use those. Don't need to drain them. They're fine as they are. Use them straight up. I'll open the second one just for now. It's been 2 hours, so the cream cheese should be nice and soft. Gotta get yourself a knife. Got a nice flour tortilla. Okay, 2 hours later, the cream cheese is nice and soft, ready to go. Let's put on the tortilla. Nice and soft. You can cut right through it. Very easy with a knife. Just use a knife to spread it on. Cream cheese goes first. You want a nice thin layer of cream cheese on the entire tortilla. Now when you roll it up, what's going to happen is, first start with a nice thin layer of cream cheese on the tortilla. So once you got your good layer of cream cheese, now it's time to put on the peppers, the chilies. You'll notice that I put them on. I am putting them on with the top to the bottom, and I'm not going to fully put it all the way down to the bottom. From experience, I know that when you roll things up, these chilies are going to slide. So that's plenty there. Depending on how many you like, maybe you do more, maybe less. It's up to your family. Always, as I make my recipes, it's based on my family's taste. They like it well, we leave it as is. They want something changed, it's different next time. Once you got your chilies on there, take your slice of ham, or 2. Again, you notice I am leaving a good area at the bottom of the roll to have nothing on it. Again, I'm leaving a good area at the bottom of the roll to have nothing on it so that when I roll it up, I'm going to roll towards myself. You could roll away. It doesn't matter. Trying it nice and tight. You're going to see how the ham moves. And the chilies will move too. As you roll it up, should you keep it nice and firm. You see how everything moved? There we go. This is the roll. We're going to set this aside on a plate and put it in the refrigerator with all the others. 1 down. 8 or so more to go. Looks like I miscounted the ham. So this one just have peppers only. Maybe the family will get to eat it. Maybe that's just mine. I don't mind just peppers. Now that you've filled your plate with all of the rolls, you're going to wrap them up so they don't dry out and put them in the refrigerator until they're nice and cold. Now that they're all wrapped up airtight so no air gets in there to dry them out, put in the refrigerator. You can store it overnight or a couple more days if you like. Now that the pinwheels have been overnight in the refrigerator, it's time to take them out and cut them up. These are kind of the pinwheels. I use a special cheese knife. It's easier to cut through the pinwheels if you use a cheese knife. That way, it doesn't stick when you're cutting. Take the Saran Wrap off. You can do only a couple if you only need two, or do all of them if you need them all. You're not doing that. Remember, that one doesn't have any ham in it. Slice right through it, and you can see what they look like. Center ones look better than the edges, which is common. So if you want, you can feel free to eat the edges. Taste it before you serve it. Make sure it tastes good. One full plate ready. I keep stacking more on top of this one, or you can do separate plates. When you're done, they should look something like this.
They're better than the ones at Costco, and in bite-sized pieces.
It's very similar to the ones at Costco.